How to turn on or turn off autoplay audio on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your REDnote application. Then tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to Settings. After that, go to General Settings. Now, in order to turn on or turn off autoplay audio on REDnote app, you will see an option autoplay audio on note in this function section. In order to toggle it on, simply tap on this button, and if you see this red button, that means it is turned on. In order to turn it off, simply tap on it and it will be turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.